Ayo, it's Ryder. Today we're going to be learning the Chaplin. It's a pretty simple trick with a lot of variants. That's a Chaplin, by the way. Yeah, there's a lot of variants when it comes to Chaplins. And I do Chaplins a decent amount. Chaplins are a pretty good trick to do when you don't know what to do. They're a filler. Anyway, I'll throw in a slow-mo and show you how to do a Chaplin. Alright, so pretty much all you have to do to Chaplin is you want to open your Balisong up. You want to make sure you're on the safe handle. You want to throw the handle, I guess, on your pointer finger. Now, here, you're going to want to rotate your pointer finger clockwise, like this. And you're just going to spin it clockwise on your pointer finger and try to balance it on your pointer finger. Just like this. Just doing that. And so that's all a Chaplin is, man. And as you get better at it, you can get faster and faster and smoother at this clockwise motion until you get an actual good Chaplin. So as I said, be in an open position, throw the safe handle on your pointer finger, clockwise rotations. Like that, like you're just spinning it across your pointer finger, like kind of using your entire wrist, just rotating it clockwise, and get faster and faster until it's like just a clean motion. And you can continue on with different Chaplins. Yeah, so I mean, yeah, that's the tutorial. Thank you for watching.